Let's do a year in the life of an investor who's going to have a heart attack and who breaks all the rules of what Warren Buffett says, such as don't keep staring at your portfolio and watching the news every single day, you'll go mad, or lifting up the roots to see how the plant's doing. So let's say it's this period here. We're going into February 2023. Okay, and it's Microsoft, and you bought some Microsoft in February 2023, and you look at it and you think, Alpesh, I've got into Microsoft, I'm all so excited. It's had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks of rises. I'm really excited, brand new year, all good. Then a week goes by and, oh, Alpesh, it's gone down. Can we have a call? I don't understand why it's gone. It's been a week and I don't understand why it's gone down. Alpesh, it's been 2 weeks and it's fallen again. Can we have another call, please, just to talk about this and what's going on with Microsoft? I read somewhere that the world's going to come to an end and Microsoft are not as good as they should be. And I've now looked and found a whole load of stuff whereby they have the AI story seems that they're an expensive company, I've found. Oh, actually, Alpesh, looks all right at the moment. It's leveled off a bit. Oh, Alpesh, it's gone down again. Can we have another call, please? Because I know you said the MACD's rising and it's flat to rising, and that's good. But I notice it's beneath the signal line, and that's quite negative, and the price has fallen, so I'm getting a bit worried now. Oh, Alpesh, it's okay. It's shot up. Oh, you were right after all. Oh, my God, you genius. That's amazing. Oh, this week it didn't go up, but don't worry, I'm sure it will. I'm in the money, so I'm happy now because I'm in the money. And it's gone up again. Oh, it's come down a bit. Oh, it's touching maybe I should take my profits and run because it's touching the moving average. Oh no, it had a bad week, but then it had another good week. I'm more in the money, so I'm more than happy. I think I'll do 3 times leverage on it now, maybe 4 times if they have it. Do you know if they have 5 times leverage, Alpesh? Oh, it's flattened off a bit. Maybe I was too quick to look at all that leverage. No, it's gone back up. I'm happy again. Oh, and it's crossed the signal line. I wish I bought more. I don't know what I was thinking. It was always going to go up. It's so obvious. Overvalued. Who said that? To forget valuations when it comes to, oh, it's gone down again. Maybe it was overvalued after all. No, it's had a good up week. Maybe it's good and AI is the greatest thing ever. Oh, it's now sideways for a bit. Why is it not going up? Is that the end of it? Should I take my money? And the MACD's flattened out. I think I'll take my money. It shot up a lot. It came back down. I don't think this can last. I think I should take my profits. Oh, definitely take my profits now, I think. You know, it's had a couple of weeks of falls. It's fallen below the signal line. Almost. Is it going to do it? Is it going to do it? I'm watching it so carefully. No, it's nowhere near crossing below its monthly signal line. My mistake, and it's going back up again. Oh, that was scary. I thought it was rubbish. No, oh God, it went up, it's gone back down, it's gone up again. Oh, it's gone up now. Oh, it's going more. Why did I ever sell any of it earlier? I wish I kept that 5 times leverage. I should have kept the 5 times leverage, Alpesh. It's having this massive Santa Claus rally. Now what do? It's coming up to 12 months. But it's one of your quality 5, so you hold on longer than that. Oh, you know what? You cover this every Wednesday and Friday anyway. Why don't I watch those broadcasts? It's going up. It's going up some more. It's gone up some more. Oh, you're just amazing. I don't know why I wasted so much time looking at it. Oh, I should have just put everything in this, as you always say. It's been a year and we've just had a great gain, which I thought it would. And I think AI is great and it's obviously undervalued as a company. Why didn't I just think that from day one all along? By the way, I've got a doctor's appointment. Apparently I need a pacemaker fitted.